Hello everyone, we were speaking about coding and decoding where we have done with the alphabetical coding, letter coding on the specific pattern and all. I'll go for the next step. It is coding with numerical digits. Analogical coding with the numerical digit is that we need this particular chart which I have given in the previous classes. Let us understand it with example. If train is coded as 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, what is rain? Here it is very easy. So rain word is itself there in the train, correct? Because there is no need of the chart for this particular question. So this is a random type of the question. So train is coded as 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is rain? So rain word itself is there in the train. So that is why if we deleted the T, we will get the rain, right? So that is why in the train there are totally 5 letters and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that is also 5 numbers. So T may be coded as 2. So that's why the answer can be 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the simple logic. I will go for the next question. Coding with a specific pattern, that is in the forward sequence which we have studied in the previous class, in the backward sequence, and even in the random sequence, chances are there. So let us go for the question. Pace is coded as 16135. What is race? Okay, so here the chart is useful. We can see that the P is coded as 16, correct? The P's number is 16 itself, here you can see, and S number is 1 itself, you can see in the forward sequence, and C's number is 3 and E's number is 5. So that is why I told if you return this particular chart, then the problem solution will become very easy. The letters forward sequence number is written in the code, so that is why R's number is 18. The answer can be 18 and obviously it is 1, 3, 5. So let me go for the next question. Grid is coded as 2092226 7. What is gate then? So first of all, we have to understand in which series that is there, whether it is in a forward sequence, whether it is in a backward sequence, or whether it is in a random sequence. Okay, so I will identify the G here. So G is coded as 20, we can see. Okay, in the backward sequence. Okay, in the backward sequence, G is coded as 20, and R, what is the number of the R in the backward sequence? That is 9, means R is coded as 9. Then E, so E's backward sequence number is 22, so E is coded as 22, and A is coded as 26 as you can see, and T is coded as 7 here. The T's backward sequence number is 7. In the same way we can code the gate as well. G's backward sequence is 20, A's backward sequence is 26, T's backward sequence is 7, E's backward sequence is 22. So this should be our answer. So I'll go for the next question. If the France is coded as 1022511879, what the India can be coded as? So let's see in what sequence it is there. Okay, so what is the number of the F? It is 6. Here they have given it as 10, so that means I can say it as 6 plus 4. R's code is 18, then they have made it plus 4 again, correct? So we can see that they have made the plus 4 for the number. If you want to go, you can go for yes, yeah, they have mentioned it as 5. That means the sequence is 1 plus 4, right? So in the same way we should go for India as well. The I's sequence is 9, 9 plus 4 is 13, N's sequence is 14, 14 plus 4 is 18, and D's sequence is 4 plus 4 is 8, and I's sequence obviously we have done with the same, it is 18, 22, and A's sequence is 5. Okay, 1 plus 4, 5. And sometimes what happens is, in this type of the question we need not to go for the complete solution. We need to see the answer. For example, we understood that yes, the sequence is 5, 1 plus 4, right? So you find in the options at the end whether the 5 is there. If only one option is available, then we choose that particular option. That's it. Okay, we need not to go for the complete solution. This can be the strategy you can follow to save your time. The next type is a mixed coding where the letters plus the digits will be there. If code A3 T1 E5R can be decoded as actor, D1 T5 is decoded as date, how will you code the rotate? Okay, so it's very simple. Instead of 3 they have written C. Okay, and here we can see in the forward sequence the number of the C is 3. T they have kept it as it is, and O, the number of the O in the forward sequence is 15. They have written it like that, and R they have kept it as it is. And in the same way, D1 T5, the second letter obviously it is 1 is A and 5 is E. Same way we can go for the rotate as well. I'll write it as are O's code is 15, T A's code is 1, T E's code is 5. So this can be our answer. So that's it for today's class. In the next class we will solve some more problems with the different classifications like coded statements and all. So thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe, comment your opinion. If you want me to solve any of the questions, please mention in the comment box and share with your friends if you thought this video is useful. Thank you for watching.